Morning guys, Patrick here again with Nature Coast Woodcraft, and I had a buddy come over a couple weeks ago and he asked, what do you do with all of your sawdust and your wood shavings? So I'm going to show you. This is what I do. So I have a gun range on the back of my property that I use very frequently, and this is it. This is where I put my sawdust and my wood chips and all the shavings I get from the planer. It is great for depleting the nitrogen in the soil as it breaks down, and it won't allow weed growth to occur, or very minimal anyway. And this is what I do. I put it down here. It's underground because we have horses around the area, and I'm trying to mitigate the noise and I want to make sure that I don't hit any wildlife. The sheriffs have been here, so they've already looked, so report me if you want to, but they've already been here, checked it out, gave me the green light, told me everything was squared away. So that's it. That's what I do with all of my sawdust and the like. Again, it's about 4,000 sandbags. Took me about 1.5 years to make because there's no real way to automate the filling of sandbags really. So this is it. And the only negative side to this with the sawdust is it's harder now to find my shells. So I collect them all, and that's this year's shells. So I'll have to get another sandbag for the next year, but this is it. This is where I put all my sawdust that I get. Dual purpose, keeps the weeds down, makes it nice and cushy to walk on. It's just really hard to find shells. And it smells like a hamster cage because I've got cedar, cherry, walnut, pine, cypress. I've got all those chips in here. But anyway, that's what I do with my waste from processing of the woods. All right, guys, thank you. We'll see you on the next one.